short. This room is so cute. Growing up, I didn't even like maroon, but it's lunchtime. So many butterflies. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I did a video. I don't know, I can't even remember the intro that I was using. It's been so long since I did an intro and this YouTube vlog thingy. So how have you guys been doing? How you guys been doing? I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back on here. Hopefully this time sita disappear. On today's video, I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me on today's errands and maneuvers. We're doing a show house shoots and interviews, and I'm going to take you guys through it, like from the beginning. Nimekuwa nikirecord from the time I got to the office. I think from the office, no, from the time I got here venye tulifika on site. I wasn't able to record from home because I hadn't decided fully yet kama nataka kuanza the YouTube vlog, but niside venye tulifika huko. So the video itaanzia hapo halfway. Hopefully I'll try as much as I can to be more consistent and post more. You guys just bear with me. So I don't fully know what kind of style I'm going to go with currently, but I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. So I need to try and give you guys my full capacity, my full capacity. So saya kuna vitu mingi tunafanya, because the last time I had some things going on, but now it's just work and all those things. So wait, this earring keeps falling off and I don't know why, and it's a hook earring. Sasa sijui nini naipeleka juu ama ni jacket, I don't know. So last time kulikuwa na vitu mingi zilikuwa zina happen, but sahi ni kazi tu. So nitawapeleka tu na whatever I've been doing, whatever I'm doing at work, and yeah, probably I'll try to make it a daily life, but for now I'll just try have like 2 videos, not 1 video a week, 1 or 2 videos a week. That's Wagoizi. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be back, and hopefully tutaweza kuwa consistent this time. Yeah, I'll try my best. I'll really try my best. See you guys later in the vlog. This is my outfit. Let me place this one over here. Wait, don't fall, please don't fall. Wearing a red shirt, button shirt today. Styled it crisscross, tucked it. I haven't buttoned it anywhere. My necklace, lovely necklace. I thought it would match because it has the red pearl over here and the blue, because as you can see, the theme today is red and blue and gold, my favorites. Just bought that, let's get burned. This nigga got pounds of it all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm. Hey guys. I got dang shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do. What's up? Mmesha kunywa chai, mbona mnakaa mmejam? Mmechoka? Zishaenda. this room is so cute. Look at that. It has such nice colors. Let me show you. It's such a cute room. Look at the art and the colors, especially. I know, like, growing up I didn't even like maroon, but now I think maroon is such a cute color. Askofu recording guys his magic. Hi Askofu. Pasana. Sasa. Was a busy. Can you even see? I don't know if you can see if it's clear enough, but this is like my favorite shade. It's so nice, so good. See? So much more. Yeye anaongelea nyumba ndani. Umeangalia hizo maswali zenye nimemwandikia? Angalia. Hizo plants ni gani?
As long as it's not touching on the flowers, greenery.
There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around.
Nimeyap. Kumbe hata sikuwa nimefinya record. Anyways, I was saying, done with the interview. It went well. The lady was amazing. Sai videographers wameenda kumalizia the show houses, kushoot the show houses. I think the studio apartments. It's so cute. My legs are frozen. It's so cold. Like the floors here are so cold. But I think it's because of the construction that's going on. I'm here chilling for the next lady I'm supposed to interview, because I think we're gonna do it here or outside. But I'm not wearing my shoes again, niende and then nikuje tena nitoe. So chill tu hapa. Videographers wamalize the show houses, kushoot the show house hiyo ya mwisho, and then wakuje to shoot the interview, and then I think we're gonna be done, because we're supposed to shoot 4 houses. Is it 4 or 5? And then we go and shoot the amenities outside, which are the pool, clubhouse, kids playing area, the chilling area, I think. Yeah, which I've never seen. I've only seen the pool and the clubhouse and the children playing area. Yeah, Amaya by Nivida. I'm kind of shy. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be saying on here, because it's been a long time coming. Yeah. So this watch, I love this watch so much. You guys see my nails? Need to change them. It's time to change my nails. They're long overdue. Memaliza? Oh, ndo wana do hizo stuff.
Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again. 'Cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
Lunchtime. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Yeah. Lunchtime, bro.
It's a lunchtime.
Hey. Lunch. Are you excited? How does it make you feel?
Food makes me happy.
Happy? I can't see the excitement. Show me the excitement.
It's me internal.
Day like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wrong side. Cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you look in my eyes. Loving me nice and slow.
Wako so excited. Ni lunchtime. And there's so many butterflies here, guys. So beautiful. Daisies. See how much butterflies are here. Like there's so many butterflies. So beautiful. My goodness.
You waiting to get some more. I told you I'ma take your place. I seen it in your face, and I knew that you would say it. So how you wanna play? Yeah, you got somebody. I've been in this predicament. Don't trip, creep, discreet. That's just what we dealing with. Caught up, so just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there. All of those things that you let me with. You made me wanna know. Caught up, so just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there. All of those things that you let me with. When you come and be so you, I'ma take me fighting on and on. This ain't what I'm really used to.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now.
Okay. Sour. In the second location, we have one interview and site, what is it called? Site coverage. Yeah, and then we go to the office. I want to go to the office because I have some things to do there. I have a video that I haven't finished editing, and then I go home. Yeah, I'm so sleepy. On my way here, Kwagari, I was literally dozing off. But thank God, because they had said we are going to do 5 interviews, but now it's only 1 interview. So thank the Lord, we're about to finish.
I really need time now. I really need definitely mine now. I really need God now. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now.